Agro-based industries. Cotton textiles, woolen textiles, jute and sugar industries are known as agro-based industries as they use agricultural products as raw materials. Textile industries. It's the only industry in India that is autonomous and comprehensive in the value chain, i.e. from raw materials into higher value-added products. It contributes to industrial production, employment creation and foreign exchange income. It contributes 14% to industrial production in India and the second largest provider of employment opportunities after agriculture. It contributes 4% towards the GDP of the country. Cotton textiles. It is one of the traditional industries of India. About 80% of the industries are owned privately, while 20% are owned by the government and cooperative societies. Most of the cotton industries earlier were centered in Maharashtra and Gujarat because of the existence of humid climate and the availability of cotton, markets, transport facilities and cheap labor. Weaving is done by hand loom, power looms and in mills. Khadi industries also provide employment opportunities to a large section of society. USA, UK, Russia, France, Singapore, Sri Lanka and many African countries import cotton textiles from India. We also export yarn to Japan. Some drawbacks of the cotton industries are that spinning and weaving units of the country cannot use high-quality yarn produced in the country. Production takes place in small factories which cater to only local markets. This is the reason that while we export cotton yarn, fabrics have to be imported. Low productivity of labor, irregular supply of electricity and tough competition from the synthetic fiber industry have hit the cotton textile industries hard. Subscribe to us on https://www.youtube.com/c/vikrambooks.